Materials and techniques for exterior door installation have been evolving continually over the last decade. Finding the right materials in the right quantities to install exterior doors can often be a challenge. This can result in the loss of valuable time and money for the installer. Introducing the DAP Quick Kit Exterior Door Installation Kit. The DAP Quick Kit contains all the necessary materials for proper installation of an exterior door. DAP Quick Kit is available in a variety of jamb sizes that fit the most common exterior doors. The single door kit will accommodate doors with rough openings up to 40 inches wide. The single door kit is available in 4 and 9/16 and 6 and 9/16 jamb sizes. The double door kit will accommodate doors with rough openings up to 80 inches wide. The double door kit is available in 4 and 9/16 and 6 and 9/16 jamb sizes. Finally, the sliding door kit is designed for doors with rough openings up to 72 inches wide. The sliding patio door kit is available in 3 1/4 inch and 3 5/8 inch jamb sizes. DAP Quick Kit, everything you need for an exterior door installation. DAP, on the job since 1865.